Adab, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. If you're looking at this face for the first time, I'm not surprised because this is officially the first video on this channel. Now many years ago, I stopped making New Year resolutions. But what I didn't stop doing was creating a bucket list. And one of the topmost ideas on my bucket list has always been to start my own YouTube channel. But for many reasons and excuses, I couldn't get around doing it. But today, finally, I see it happening. And if you hadn't clicked on that video today, probably this journey would not have started, so thank you. Now this is turning out to be a long intro. I'm really sorry about it, but this being the first video, there were things that I wanted to put out there. Let's do the WIIFM in it. What's that? What's in it for me? Now I've been a corporate trainer for a long time in my life, so that training jargon tends to creep in, so please bear with me. What's in it for me? Why should you watch this channel? So this channel is going to be a heterogeneous mix of a variety of ideas ranging from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, products, reviews, traveling, fitness, weight loss, cooking, experimenting, traveling, lot more. Did I say traveling twice? Okay, so you might see more of traveling on this channel. But I'm going to be unapologetically unconventional. That's a long phrase. Now this is also going to be an on-demand channel. If there is something that you guys would like me to try out, like me to buy, review, travel a place, anything, if it is within my means and capacity to do it, I promise I'll do it for you. That being my intro, now let's move on to the main idea of today's video. Shuru kare? YouTube, I'm sure you will agree with me, is one educational institute which comes free of cost. I think apart from the data charges that we pay practically nothing to watch and to get all that information, entertainment and knowledge on YouTube. So like you guys and like millions others, I have benefited so much from YouTube. I feel I've literally grown up with YouTube. So this being my first video, I thought as a tribute to YouTube, why not I base this first video on the 10 ideas that I literally got from YouTube. When I say YouTube, I mean those beautiful, hardworking, fabulous YouTubers who personify YouTube for us. जैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको already पता होंगी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकता है आपको भी ना पता हो, but I just thought let's do it. So without any further ado, let's begin with this video. Learning number 1. Reading ingredients on products. Does your product that you're using have AHA in it? Does it have BHA in it? Does it have alcohol? Does it have silicons? Is it cruelty free? Is it paraben free? These were concepts that were brought on to me through YouTube. I was not even aware of my skin type. So the product that you're buying, is it meant for your skin type? Oily, combination, dry skin? Because what they put into the product will go into your skin, right? So you have a duty towards yourself to understand whether the product is suited for you, and which I didn't know about and which I learned from YouTube. Lesson number 2. Don't laugh at me. Eyebrow filling. You guys, something as basic as that. So I grew up thinking that an eyebrow pencil is supposed to be used as a kajal. Come on. It's called an eyebrow pencil for a reason. After watching YouTube, I actually learned that there are gel products, there's a pencil product, there's a spoolie, you shape your eyebrows and it gives a lift to your face. And also, thank you so much to one of my dearest friends, thank you Eku. She kept nudging me and pushing me, ek baar try karo, you're going to love it. And filling up the gaps in your eyebrows makes a hell of a difference to your entire makeup look. So that was lesson number 2. Moving on to lesson number 3. Facial oils. Facial oils? I thought that a facial oil means only a dry skin type person can use it and should use it. You already have an oily skin and you put more oil into it by using a facial oil and you still don't break out. It was a myth buster for me that facial oils are not only meant for dry skin but for all skin types depending on your need. And now I am obsessed with this little baby, the Rose Hip Oil by Good Vibes. This is a part of my night skincare also, which I'll be speaking about in a few minutes. Moving on to my lesson number 4. Facial razors. Why am I so excited about this? No matter how excited I am today, but at one point of time, I was so intimidated by the concept of using a razor on my face. Every time I heard the word razor, the first thing that came to my mind was that one, it is meant to be used by men. And second, if I have to at all use a razor over myself, it has to be on my body and not on my face. Using a sharp object like this on my face was a complete no for me. But again, watching all those YouTubers doing it, I have never said no to a new learning in life. So I said, why not? Let's try. And when I tried that, and when I got that hair-free, that hairless face, wow. When I got that peach fuzz-free face, and when I got that clear, smooth skin, you know, your foundation and your base blends on, glides on so easily, no streaks, nothing, and you just tend to generally feel good. I mean, सब कुछ किसी objective के लिए नहीं करते हैं ना. It could be you just want to feel good. Keep your heart happy. You feel like trying out something? Why not? Try it. Moving on to learning number 5, and that was contouring. Wow, it's like I have introduced contouring. Whenever I used to see those faces, you know, those models and the chiseled face, the structured face, that high bony face, that Kareena Kapoor Khan type face, I used to wonder what do they do? And then I learned that it was nothing but these contouring products, these cute little dainty products. I really love these things for their packaging, you know. And then I learned that there are powder contours, there are cream contours, and I started experimenting. You know, when you're going for a night function or a party, it looks so nice. So even though you don't do it on a daily basis, but then at least I learned something, alright? Learning and takeaway number 6. Lip balms. My favorite products. Now, I'm not from the stone era, you guys. I'm not that naive. I'm not that young. I always thought that a lip balm is meant to be used as a treatment for chapped lips or cracked lips or problematic or painful lips. Why do you have to wait for your lips to get chapped to use a lip balm? You don't have to. It is only through YouTube that I learned that lip balms is actually a preventive skin care. You can actually use it beneath your liquid lipsticks. You can use it beneath your matte lipsticks. I have become a lip balm hoarder, you guys. So much so that I would be making a video on lip balms anytime soon, so stay tuned if you're interested in lip balms. And one of my most favorite is this lip balm by lip mask lip mask by Laneige. Let's move to point number 7. DIY nails. Ta-da! I'm also wearing them. Ever since my childhood, I had very brittle nails. The kinds कि पानी में हाथ गए नहीं कि nails गए. And जो चीज़ ज़िंदगी में नहीं होती है, उसका fascination और भी ज़्यादा होता है. But I was kind of put off by the fact that, you know, you have to go to a salon. First of all, pay exorbitant amounts to get your nails done. Then sit there for long hours. And then they last only for a month or two. And then you're worried because you've spent all that money and time. फिर मुझे मिला एक राज, and that was that you can use DIY nails. You don't have to go to a salon. So simple. So you don't have to spend all that time and money. You can do it in the comfort of your home. Point number 8. मुझे अपनी मैथ्स क्लास में गए हुए decades हो गए हैं, so please forgive me. Point number 8, guys, has got to be one of my most favorite lessons of YouTube, and that is highlighters. Highlighters that are the highlight of any makeup look. Now, whenever I used to watch ramp models and magazine, oh my god, that sounded like a bikini shoot. Bikini shoot. समझ गए ना आप लोग? magazines. So when I used to watch those magazines and these ramp models with glowy skins, they glowing like a glow model, oh my god. I used to wonder, ये क्या खाती हैं, क्या लगाती हैं, how do they glow like this? And it is nothing but these little cute highlighters, which I am now obsessed with. I cannot finish a makeup look without them. I'm wearing them right now. Of course, it's not a substitute for never. I learned about it just like probably Adam would have learned about the apple. It just popped on my head, but ever since I did, I didn't go back. No. Learning number 9. I don't have anything to show on this, but night skincare regime. Night skincare routine. I always thought that skincare is synonymous with daycare skincare. I mean, the same CTM I do in the morning, I repeat that in the evening, and that is actually the best time for your skin. It is going to love you, it's going to thank you back. You know, you get up with soft and smooth and supple skin, and the best feeling in the world. And moving on to the 10th and the final learning for the purpose of this video. Again, y'all are going to laugh at me, but please don't. And that is eyeshadows. Eyeshadows were new for her. She's got to be kidding us. Well, eyeshadows मेरे लिए नए नहीं थे, but the technique of applying eyeshadows, I was oblivious to the fact that there are the anatomy of the eyelid can be described like this. There is a transition color, and then there's a crease color, and then there's an eyelid color, and then there's an inner corner, there's an outer corner, there's a low lash color. Oh my god. I used to think that eyeshadow means you take a color onto your finger and you smear it over your eyelid and you spread it out, and that's it. You're done. That's your eyeshadow. I learned that there is an art of applying eyeshadow, and now I just love it. You know, I love collecting eyeshadows. We'll talk about it in another video. I'll be doing a video on the top products that I have tried and tested for you, especially if you're a beginner, how you can buy those products in a budget. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then you know what I'm going to say. I know you know that. Please be generous enough to give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and if you subscribe, then press on the notification bell icon. Please leave your valuable comments there. I'm sure, I'm confident that your comments will be full of feedback, full of love, food for thought. Nothing is as perfect as you think it is. Behind that every perfect picture that you see on Instagram or Facebook or social media, there were at least hundreds that were deleted. Think about it. Keep smiling. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.